Hi YouTube, let's do a what's in my bag. My brand new mini Chanel 25. This bag has been on my wish list for a very long time, and I actually was on the wait list for this bag because it was completely sold out. I think not even just in my city, but like on my side of the country, it was sold out. And the SA helping me put me on the wait list, and he called me just a week ago to come in and grab it. And so she's brand new. I just put all of my daily essentials inside, and you would be so surprised with how much actually fits in here. Like, she's packed. It's very heavy. Even though it's a mini, it fits a lot. By the way, if we haven't met yet, hi, my name is Soma. I am the most followed manifestation creator in the entire world, and for very good reason. I've helped millions of people manifest, including myself with this bag. So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, this is, I think, calfskin rather than lambskin bag. And so it's actually a bit more durable in terms of the actual leather itself. So when you get a scratch on it, or if it has a little bit of wear and tear, you can't really notice it as much, which is also why I wanted this, as well as I just love an everyday classic black bag that you can pick up and go with any outfit. It's not too big that it's like a tote bag, but it's small enough that it still fits everything that I need. So first, with what's on the outside, you have like a little cinch feature here that you can like tighten and adjust the bag. And I have my keychain wallet hanging off of it because there's no space in the bag for this wallet to fit in. So it has to hang off the sides. And then in here I have all my IDs and my cards and stuff like that. Let's start with the sides. Okay, the sides here, what's on the side? Oh, this is where I keep all my lippies. I have my Rhode peptide treatment in salted caramel. This one's my favorite flavor. I own all of them. This one's my favorite flavor. I have my YSL Libre perfume. I don't wear this one a ton, but I like that it's portable. And then this is my favorite lip gloss. Oh my God. I think you've probably seen it in maybe my vlog if you guys watched that. This is a MAC lip gloss, and it reminds me of like the 2000s super sticky, high gloss kind of thing. And it's actually the cutest name. It's All Things Magical, and that's perfect for me. So that's this side. Am I gonna just like keep taking stuff out and then I'm gonna have to repack my bag after this? This other side has more of like my, I guess, like necessities. I live in Las Vegas. It's really sunny and hot, so I always have a mini sunscreen on me. I always keep just the regular chapstick because sometimes you're just not in the mood for products. And then I always keep Advil and painkillers on me because I get really bad migraines. And yeah, I'm like one of those people where I'm always like, my head hurts. So that's for that. Okay, now let's get into what's actually... Well, I'll start with my phone is in here. So this is the phone that I film all of my TikToks on, all of my YouTube videos actually. And right now we're using my fiance's phone so this way you guys can see my actual phone, because this is the tripod that I was using to film the vlog. And this is like such a cool tripod because you can kind of hold it however you want to. It's super portable, but also you can use it as like a little phone stand if you want to like watch TV while you eat, or I don't know, if you just want to film at a lower angle. It's my favorite tripod. Actually, I do want to take this off because I want to show you my phone case. You guys have never seen this, but this phone case is really special to me because in the back, I put all of my fortune cookies in the back of my phone case that I get. But there's one fortune that was very, very special to me, and it's this middle one right here. It says, "Get ready to become the star." I've had this for 10 years. Oh my God, I'm old. I've kept this fortune for 10 years because I got it the day before I landed my first ever TV show role on Degrassi. And to me, that was like my first really big manifestation coming true. And it really started my spiritual journey. And so I love to keep all these messages because they really do mean something. They're honestly really special. If you look for signs, you'll find them. Okay, I have my portable phone charger as well. My fiance got me this from Japan and it's so cute. I have In the side pockets over here, I have my car keys. This is to my RAV4 Toyota, which sadly might get replaced soon, but she's been through a lot of, you know, moments of life with me. I'm gonna have a hard time letting her go if I have to, but maybe we'll keep her as well. Maybe we'll just keep her. I'm gonna miss her. I've got hand sanitizer. I've got my Canon G7X fits in here. That's crazy, it's huge, but this is great for taking selfies. I don't really film on this because I don't really think it's the best quality, but it's great for taking pictures because the flash is really nice. Oh, you guys will love this. Ready? It's my mini tarot deck. Look how tiny it is. It's perfect for taking anywhere you want because every time I tell people I'm a tarot card reader, and let's say it's their first time meeting me or something like that, the first question is, can you read my cards? And so I always have to carry something with me, and this is the perfect way. I've done this a lot, like if I go to like a bar with my friends or something, I'll just have them pick it out of the case and we do like a little mini spread while we're having our cocktails. It's really cute. I've got some gum in here. I've got a compact mirror. You just see the reflection. I don't want it to give it like a weird reflection, but it has a magnified one and a regular one in here. I've got my, a gum fell out. Actually, I think I packed that not realizing I had a whole pack with me. I have a hair tie. I have my glasses. I wear glasses. I should be wearing glasses more than I do. I've just kind of been in denial that I need glasses because I've gone my whole life without them. What do you mean one day I just can't see? So I wear them to drive mainly, but honestly, even just to watch television, I have to wear these glasses. It sucks. If I ever go to a concert and I forget my glasses, it's the worst experience ever. I have my Kindle. I love to read. That's one of my, I think my favoriteest hobby ever outside of making videos and stuff. I love reading. And right now I'm reading a Twilight fan fiction for Team Jacob. That's probably making me sound very old, but I am old and that's okay. I've got my sunglasses. These are my Cartier sunglasses. These are really, really pretty. They're my favorite ones. They have a little panther on the side because they're from the Panther collection. It needs a wipe cloth in here because these get dirty very easily, but I love the way these look. I always feel very fancy when I wear them. What else? We've got a couple more things. Okay, wired headphones, because when I'm editing, if I am editing on the go, you can't use Bluetooth headphones because there's sometimes a lag and a delay, so wired headphones are my favorite. Also, I forget to charge these all the time. I think these are the first generation AirPods. I got these 7 years ago and I haven't replaced them. If it's not broken, don't fix it. It still works. And my ears don't fit the other ones. You know, like the Pro ones, they have that jelly grip on them. It pops out of my ear. I just have really small ears, so I can only wear these. Okay. I have my charm bag with me. This has all of my favorite crystals, as well as some prayer beads and some other little random charms in here. You can take a look. So I have these prayer beads from India. These are they're from Rishikesh, an ashram in Rishikesh, and the head guru actually gifted me his own prayer beads to me when I was 10 years old. I was kind of going through a really hard time. Some of you guys know my story. I've had a really rough home life, and he gifted these to me. And I think he probably saw something that I didn't, and that I needed some sort of faith and hope and just something to connect to. And I've kept them ever since. These are really special to me. They're always kind of like around me for good luck. Then I've got my favorite crystals, pyrite. Favorite crystal, this one is for abundance. I've got just regular quartz. This bag is shedding. A regular quartz crystal. It's kind of just like a regular amplifying crystal. I've got a little chip of tiger's eye. This one's great for inspiration, motivation, courage. I have some lepidolite in the form of a heart. I don't know what lepidolite's for. I've got some rainbow moonstone. This is my birth stone, and it's good for protection as well and emotional balance. Okay, then I have some random charm things in here. I don't know. They were cute, so I bought them. There's this little Pegasus, this little jelly Pegasus. And she's so cute, I just carry her around. Then I have this little cat. It's just a little kitty. I carry her around because she's cute too. And then I have a little mini teddy bear. He's cute. I love cute things, even if they're not functional. Speaking of not functional, I have an empty message in a bottle. I go into trinket stores, and if there's anything mini, clearly I love mini things. If there's anything mini, I will buy it. Chanel mini. I love mini things. And this is the smallest thing that is in my bag. It's a really tiny little pig. It's so cute. So tiny. And then I have some citrine. This is also good for abundance. Okay, that's my charm bag. There's only one thing left in here, I think, and it is Hajmula. If you have no idea what that is, it's because you're not Indian. So if you're Indian, you know what this is. Hajmula, how do I explain this? It's like a little digestive pill, and it comes in the form of like actual little pills inside. And they're chewable tablets, kind of like Tums. Okay, that's like a great way to explain it. It's kind of like Tums for digestion. However, a lot of people tell me it smells like farts. I don't disagree. I think it smells horrible as well. However, because I was brought up with it and it's something that like, I don't know, I love the way it tastes and smells. Does that mean I like the way farts smell? No, but this is different. This to me smells like a mix of hardcore spices to the point you could argue it smells like farts, but this is my favorite thing to eat in the whole wide world. I've been addicted to them since I was 4 years old. I remember one time I ate a whole bottle and my mom got really mad at me because you're only supposed to have 2 in one day. And I just downed a whole bottle at 4 because they're so yummy. They're so yummy. I love these so much, as well as I get really bad motion sickness and I get like queasy a lot. And this helps me just kind of, if I'm getting car sick or if I'm getting motion sick, this helps me a lot. So I always have to carry it with me. Otherwise, I'll just end up throwing up because I get really bad car sickness. Let me know if I have any of my followers, subscribers from India, do you guys know what this is? And do you like it? And has anyone ever said that it smelled like farts? Because I found that kind of offensive at first. I was like, what do you mean my favorite candy smells like farts? That's so mean. But do you want to smell it? Do you want to tell me?
It smells like a lot of spices.
Her face went red, y'all. It smells like hardcore spices bunched up together.
I wouldn't say like hard, but I'd say like whoa.
Whoa, yeah, like whoa. Yeah, it's funny, my fiance calls them swamp pills because it smells like a swamp. But he likes them still. Like it's weird because like it doesn't smell great, but it tastes pretty good. I like it. I think that's everything that's in my bag. That's everything that's in my bag. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I'll go shopping and get another bag and pack it just to make another video for you. Put a gun to my head. I'll go shopping. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm sending you so much good energy. I love you. Bye. Mwah.
So are you an Edward or a Jacob fan?
Am I Team Edward or Team Jacob? Growing up, I was Team Edward. And as I gotten older, I'm Team Jacob. But most of all, I'm Team Charlie because now I'm that old. So Team Charlie, there's not a lot of fan fictions about that, so I read fan fictions about Team Jacob, but I love Jacob so much. Werewolf energy? That's crazy. That's so cool. How is Bella not all about that? Also, he was like so committed to her. Anyways, are you guys Team Jacob or Team Edward? Let me know. I feel like the new age version of that is, are you Team Conrad or Team Jeremiah? And I'm Team Wait, Jeremiah, until he cheated on her. He ruined it. I always like the reliable guy, you know, the guy who like shows up and he's reliable. I don't like this moody business, this, oh my God, I'm such a mystery. Cut the crap. I don't have time for drama. I'm drama. I don't need more drama.